How to invest in mutual funds in India. Hi there, this is Kritesh and welcome to TradeRain's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss different ways by which you can buy mutual funds online in India. But first of all, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. We publish new interesting investing videos every week. And also don't forget to hit the bell button after subscribing so that you can get notified whenever we post our new videos. Now before we start this video, there are a few points that we will want to mention. First, investing in mutual funds is subjected to market risks and returns are not guaranteed. Second, always read the offer document and the mutual fund details before investing. Third, investing in direct mutual fund plans are more beneficial than regular plans as you can save commissions paid on regular plans and get 1 to 1.5% higher returns. And fourth, you can invest in direct mutual fund plans from any of the platforms discussed in this video. Now there are multiple ways in which a beginner can invest in mutual funds online in India. The three common ways are: first, through AMC website, second, through your DMAT or brokerage account, and third, through independent mutual fund investment websites and apps. Let us discuss each one of these in detail now. First, AMC websites. The fastest way to buy mutual funds in India is through the AMC websites, as you can buy directly from these websites and eliminate all the intermediaries. Mutual funds are managed by the AMCs, that is asset management companies. You can buy all the funds offered by these fund houses from their website. A few of the popular mutual funds companies in India are Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund, DSP BlackRock Mutual Fund, SDFC Mutual Fund, HSBC Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, IDFC Mutual Fund, Kotak Mutual Fund, SBI Mutual Fund, Shriram Mutual Fund, Tata Mutual Fund, etc. Now to buy a mutual fund from the AMC website, first visit the website and download the application form. Here you will have to fill your details and submit along with the photocopy of PAN card, KYC letter and initial check. Moreover, you can also easily find popular AMC's office like ICICI Prudential, SDFC Mutual Fund House, etc. in your city or locality. You can visit the office to submit documents and start your investment. Anyways, a big concern while investing in mutual funds through this approach is that if you are planning to invest in various mutual funds by different AMCs, you have to perform the same procedure for all the mutual fund companies, and therefore this may be not very convenient. Second, through DMAT account or broker platforms. If you have already opened a DMAT account with any of the big brokers in India, you can buy mutual funds online through your brokerage account. Most of the major brokers in India like Zerodha, ICICI Direct, SDFC Securities, Kotak Securities, 5paisa, etc. have the facility to buy mutual funds from their portal. Now buying funds using broker platform is a simple way to purchase mutual funds online in India. All you need to do is to log into your account, select the scheme you want to invest and complete the payment. The mutual fund units will be credited directly to your existing DMAT account. Now third and final approach is through independent websites and apps. You can also buy mutual funds online in India through independent websites or apps. A lot of Indian websites like Grow, ET Money, Funds India, etc. provides the facility to their clients to invest directly in mutual funds at no commission. A few of the other popular apps for direct mutual fund investments are MyCams, KFinCart, Paytm Money, KTrack, Scriptbox, etc. A big benefit of using these apps is the fast account opening process and hassle-free investing. In fact, you can open your account within minutes using these platforms if you have the digital copy of all the required documents available on your phone or PC. Further, on these independent platforms, monitoring your funds and transacting is also very simple. Closing thoughts. A majority of people do not invest in mutual funds in India because they are afraid of the documentation work and believe that investing in mutual fund requires a lot of work. However, as discussed in this video, there are multiple ways through which you can invest in mutual funds online in India. If we conclude this video, investing in mutual funds through AMC website will be cheaper and includes no extra cost. On the other hand, investing in mutual funds through independent websites or apps offers the clients a single login portal for the consolidated view of the holdings. Finally, purchasing mutual funds from the brokers through a DMAT account is more relaxed approach. Here the customers can also get added benefits like access to the research reports to make better decisions. However, they have to pay extra cost like the DMAT account maintenance charges. If you are a beginner, we will recommend you buying mutual funds online in India using independent apps like Grow, ET Money, Paytm Money, etc. And once you are comfortable with the buying process, choose the route of investing through AMC website. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This is Kritesh signing off.